This is the Rebel Raven Cloud 9 palette. Y'all, I am so obsessed with all the colors in this, and I'm gonna show you how I do my eyeshadow using only one glitter and just my fingers. I'm gonna take this moonshine on my pinkies and press down. My pinky is fully coated. I'm gonna start at the inside of my eye. I personally like tapping right here so the glitter goes a little bit underneath the eye too. I picked up some more. And so since I went up a little bit higher over here, I'm just gonna add more. This is the Moonshine Glitter from the On Cloud 9 palette. So beautiful.